Mapupo Fezega.
Morning. Hi. It's like 8 a.m. right now, and I am about to head out and go to meet the tour group. And today is Saturday. We are going to Aburi Botanical Gardens, and then after that it's meant to be quad biking, but I'm not going to do quad biking this time because I did it last time and I'm kind of over quad biking. I've done it so many times, I'm just not feeling it this time. And then after that we're having lunch, and then we're going to the waterfalls, Asenema Waterfalls. So hence the outfit today. I've got my bikini underneath and just something short. I don't think I'm actually going to swim or go under the waterfalls itself, but I'll go close enough and just get into like the water area at the bottom. So yeah, that is the plan for today. So I'm about to call my Uber and head out to meet them. It's almost like 8:20 and we're supposed to meet at 9 a.m. So yeah, I'm just gonna head out. What done to this top? So yeah, that is the itinerary for today. Spending time in nature, and I can't wait because my body and my soul and mind needs it. So let's go.
You know, just waiting for the rush. Or the kids together. Oh, this is the road to my house. Yeah. Straight ahead. I am a son. I'm from different countries. He wants to see me. He wants to see me.
I want to see the extras.
Or at least the presidential candidates who are running for president.
You want to be on my vlog? He's gonna be on my vlog.
Which includes horticulture training, scientific research, plasma cases, environmental education, and then managing natural reserves. That's the main activities of this botanical garden. We have this tree, look at it. These are cedar trees from West Africa, planted in the year 1895, cedars of West Africa. Have you heard of cedar wood? Cedar is a very strong wood they use to make furniture. There's one inside the Bible King Solomon used to build the temple of God. Do you read the Bible? Yeah, we do. Yes, sometimes.
Gone in. Oh, where are you from?
Congo.
Oh, okay, cool.
I was born in Congo.
Oh, okay, see.
And I grew up in London.
Oh, in London. Oh, okay, see. What part of London?
So Shoreditch area.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
And you can actually put it
Yeah, so you put it on your lips. So that was what we used to back in the days in our place. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is not harmful.
It's not harmful.
Yeah, it's
to
not.
put it on
Yeah,
your lips.
just
I have to like
fold it
make
together,
smaller.
fold it together, like you keep you have
Like
to
this?
cross it over and over
it's already-
over. You see the liquid will come out.
Wow.
Like that,
And how long would it
Then
stay
I
on?
said, Oh, it will stay, but you can easily wash.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Water, Now,
Like, I look inside.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
this is the seed. You can roast this and eat like peanut. You understand that? Now, when you cut this open and you're able to eat 10 to 12 balls, you'll not be able to eat again for the next 12 hours.
Oh wow.
It fills up your stomach.
It's a diet pill.
Jackfruit
Wow.
is a
Diet
rich source
pill.
of vitamin B complex. It lowers high blood pressure. It fights cancer, asthma,
That's
and anemia.
it? Wow.
Yeah, you touch it. Why are you scared now? So people start searching for you. They know someone has lost your phone. The leaves will also be used to prepare okra steak. The leaves. We eat that. We used to prepare okra steak. I love it. It's so good. So this is one bedroom, 7 We are renting this one, $20 a night.
There's a bedroom?
Yeah, $20.
Let's go, Salim.
Hey.
Once to the top. So you have to start life at the bottom. If you misbehave, you are going to remain down forever. Nobody sits down, crossing his legs, and blessings from heaven comes to meet you. Nobody. You have to do something. These two guys gave up in life. Can you see their faces? These are frustrated guys. They have given up in life. Look at them. Lazy guys. Laziness is a satanic device to make you fall. If you are lazy.
So, we just arrived at the quad biking area, and they're about to quad bike. But I did it last year, 7 months ago. So I don't really feel like doing it this time again. So I'm just gonna chill and nap in the car because I'm super tired of all that walking in the botanical garden. So yeah, whilst they're doing quad biking, I'm gonna rest, and then we're gonna go and get some lunch, I think, next, and then we're going to the waterfalls. So yeah, we're parked here and they're preparing the quad bikes for them to go. So we have to practice first and then this is just warming them up. All done. Beautiful trees full of butterflies. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, is it like a butterfly tree or something? It's gorgeous. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Look at my phone.